Hello class, I'm Professor Choi, and first of all I want to welcome you to my ECO 2023 class or Intro to Microeconomics class at Miami-Dade College. I'm very happy that you decided to take my class. Alright, today we're going to give you a quick overview of how the class is going to run and how to get in contact with me. So this class is MDC, Miami-Dade College, ECO 2023, Microeconomics. I'm Professor Renee Choi and my email is rchoi@mdc.edu. Now, we're going to have class time or office hours inside of Blackboard Collaborate Ultra at the designated class time and day for your particular class. Now, that's the time that I'm going to be around. Now, the class is really created to be asynchronous, which basically means that you don't really have to attend our class time if you know what you're doing or if you kind of figure it out and you can kind of work it out on your own. Alright, so I will be available inside of Blackboard Collaborate Ultra for any questions that you may have and for any comments or things of that sort, but you don't have to attend every time at the day and time designated for your class because the class is designed to be asynchronous and at your own pace. So today I'm going to give you a quick overview of how to basically succeed in that class. The first thing you need to do is you need to make sure that you read the syllabus and become very familiar with the deadlines for our particular class. Okay? So the syllabus will basically tell you all the things that you need to know. So if you read them nice and slow, you will know exactly what you need to be doing for the class. It could be lengthy, but it is your job number one. Alright? The next thing you need to do once you read the syllabus is you need to register for something called My Econ Lab. My Econ Lab is going to be a platform where you're going to be taking the exams, you're going to be doing homeworks, and you're going to be doing quizzes. So that's the place where you're going to go and you take homeworks, quizzes, and exams. Okay? Now you can buy My Econ Lab by following the instructions that I put inside of Blackboard. There is a document that explains to you how to buy My Econ Lab. Or you could buy yourself you could buy outside by basically purchasing a book that comes with My Econ Lab included. If you purchase the book for the class, which again is written on the syllabus, which book that you need to buy. Now if you purchase My Econ Lab, you do not really need to buy a book because it comes with the ebook included. Okay? So inside of My Econ Lab, you're going to find one homework per chapter, you're going to find 3 quizzes, and you're going to find a total of 4 exams, of which you have to take at least 3. Okay? Now, the 1 homework per chapter, 3 quizzes, and at least 1 test. Now this is basically designed to help you succeed. So homeworks are fairly easy to do, and there is 1 per chapter. You have 4 attempts and unlimited time to take them. Quizzes are a little bit more difficult and they wrap around a certain set of chapters that are going to be on a particular test. So quiz 1 is related to test 1, quiz 2 is related to test 2, and quiz 3 is related to test 3. Test 4 is cumulative. Now the quizzes are there to kind of test you to make sure that you are in fact ready to take that test because the test is a big part of your grade. So quizzes, you're going to have 3 of them, 1 for every test. And they are 2 hours long, which is the same length as a test, but you have 4 different attempts to take that quiz, so you can basically practice and practice and practice before you can take the test, which is again a big portion of your grade. So quizzes are 2 hours long, 4 different attempts to take them. After that, you should be ready to take the test. And the test is going to be only on test day, which is the day that is listed on the syllabus. And for that particular day, which is 24 hours long, you're going to have 2 hours to take that test once you get started. Okay? Now, because you're not required to be in the class at the designated class time, then you're going to be doing attendance, or we're going to be collecting attendance by you posting on the discussion boards that I left inside of Blackboard. So the discussion boards are the way in which we're going to be taking attendance. You want to post something on the discussion boards regularly so that I know that you are attending the class. Now I don't want you to go through all of that alone. I created 1 video for every chapter that we're going to be covering. And my videos for every chapter, which are basically lectures, are inside of YouTube. You can go to my YouTube channel by following this shortcut, www.renechoy.us, which will take you to my YouTube channel, or you can use the links that are posted inside of Blackboard for every single one of those videos. So every video has a link to it. Now, the way you want to basically go through the class is you want to pace yourself and every week watch 1 or 2 of those videos with pen and a notebook with you so you can take notes as you're doing the video. Okay? Now, after that, you should take the homework, and then after you've done a group of chapters, which are going to go towards the test, then you should attempt the quiz, and the quiz is going to tell you whether you're ready or you're not ready to take the test. If you're not ready, you need to study more so that you're ready for test day. Okay? So again, that should be basically it for the class. If you have any questions, remember, you can send me an email or you can see me inside of Blackboard Collaborate Ultra at class time, designated day and time. Alright? I'm very approachable. I'm Professor Choi, and if you ever have any questions, don't hesitate to contact me. Alright? So, have a good one. Thank you for coming by.